You look at all this high tech, none of these buttons operate air conditioning.
No.
Why don't you have air conditioning?
It's all about weight. 10 kilos of fuel in the car costs 0.3 of a second every circuit. So if I'm a kilo overweight, I can lose up to 2 seconds in the race distance. My weight is very important, and also during the weight, I lose up to 4 kilos in the race. But also because it's just incredibly physical. I mean, the thing's like on rails. So when you're doing 150, 180 miles an hour and you turn, the thing turns and your body wants to go the opposite way. So you have to have a really good core stability. You can't be big and bulky.